Hello everybody, this is Art and Mold's Expert Products. Today I'm going to show you unboxing of stainless steel mold 10 by 10. So this is the wood box that we use it to protect our stainless steel molds. And this is size of stainless steel mold. As you can see, this is a steel mold of 10 by 10. This is steel mold contain 3 pieces. So there is the cadre of hands, and as we can remove it slightly to see the center. This is the hat of steel mold. As you can see, this is the hat, and this is the center. We can remove this hands to see you the base of steel mold. This is the center of steel mold, contain a high quality of chrome that allow you to avoid sticking tile while you're pressing. This is very important thing, because the most mistakes that buyers takes is to buy steel mold without chrome, and this is the technology, and we have an exclusivity to offer this product for our clients. So if you want a steel mold with high quality, you need to use a chrome steel mold. So this is very high quality, and you can reach us via our website or WhatsApp, and you can contact our expert product to provide you all size of steel molds and other product to make your own tile. This is expert of steel mold. Thank you very much for watching this video. Next time.